What's going on everyone? In this video I will show you how to set up secure folder in Samsung S26 Ultra. First of all, open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on security and privacy, scroll down, click on more security settings, scroll down, click on secure folder. Now here you will see secure folder lock and biometric. Select secure folder lock that you want. After selecting set secure lock, click on use anyway. Now reconfirm your PIN, then click on allow. After click on allow, click on next. Scroll down, again click on next, then click on done. After click on done, set up secure folder from your phone. This is how you can set up secure folder in Samsung S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.